Hey guys, what's going on? Look, I'm out here, just like my hair is out here, right? I'm here with Brian McClung. He's the founder of AMC 911 Foundation and Waterproof Repair Systems. How you doing today, man?
I'm doing great. Excited to be here in the fall times here.
You know, speaking of fall, what can homeowners look forward to and be prepared for?
So we're looking for those foundation cracks. You know, you see them in the brick mortar joints, and you see them in the sheetrock on the inside of the house, and the doors that don't close and open, uneven floors. So this home, we're gonna have some foundation repair systems operating on the left front corner here. That's dropped some, so we're gonna lift it on up. We have this whole setup that we're gonna get some involvement in here and try to repair that corner on the left-hand side.
All right, so Brian, this segment is called Can Quincy Qualify? Okay, now what will I be doing today and what do I need to do to qualify?
So we're gonna have you work the hydraulic control valve that controls the flow of hydraulics, which then actually lifts the house. So we really need you to be on point qualified.
All right, well, I am super excited to go ahead and get started, man. I'll follow your lead.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go. I got my own shoes.
Yeah, you got
Even
your
though
own shoes.
I got boots.
These are complicated suits right here, you know.
This is a race to see who can get this
Yeah,
suit
you got
on
it.
the fastest. All right, I look like a Smurf.
Yeah.
And you're just sitting there with your arms crossed, huh? You're not gonna tell me where the other arm is. You're gonna let me just have to find it. All right, how long did that take me by?
I lost money on that deal, man.
I'm lifting this house up. All right, so Brian, this is the piece of equipment that we were talking about earlier, and this is the pneumatic pump that's going to push the pipes into the ground.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so this is the gadget that I get a chance to play with.
Yeah, this is the electric hydraulic ram. You wanna hold on to that? Now, the whole purpose of what we're doing is we push these tubes down in the ground until it gets to firm bearing stratum, really hard dirt, right?
Gotcha.
And that's usually about 40 feet down below grade. So we're just gonna keep pushing these pipes down until the gauge right there says to stop, right around 3,000 PSI.
Gotcha. And we're not even close yet.
We ain't close.
All right, so here we go. So I press the button. Oh, you gotta put pressure on. Woo!
Now you stop.
So as soon as this stops,
Go ahead and pull the,
and then you pull this here.
Ooh, you hear that? Now push it again, it retracts it.
Woo! All the way up?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Brian, it looks like I passed. This was an easy task.
You know, no, we still got to go to crawl space. This is phase one.
I really thought that I could just,
Oh man, we got to get it. We got to get the job done.
look at this, he just put anything on my head. It said just wear it, but I did. All right, so I go in head first, huh?
Yep. Head first.
I wasn't in the Army, and I was in the Navy,
Yeah.
so I'm kind of swimming my way through it.
It's the Model 107 steel pier to support a new beam, which is carrying the weight of this flooring system where it's uneven up top. So we're trying to lift the floor up because the customer's complaining about uneven floors.
Got you. It's a little heavy, but I got
Yeah,
it.
you got it. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
And
got your
little
little.
put this here. See the bubble. All right.
See the bubble, right?
Yeah, I see a bubble.
Okay,
Yep,
all
it's
right.
right there.
There
Real
it
good.
is.
Look at that.
Yeah, now tighten up your bolt.
Nice and tight. I haven't seen any type of snakes. Hey, man! Okay, all right. You guys play way too much. That's way too fast. I don't want to qualify anymore.
You qualified,
No.
Quincy.
You play too much.
Come back.
I'm gone.
Come
man.
back.
No. And now it's time for me to get out of here. Crawl up to get out. Like a newborn baby, huh? So, Brian, the most important question is here, did I qualify?
Quincy, you're absolutely qualified, and we want to give you an official AMC shirt.
Thank you so much. You know what? I feel like a pro now. And guys, remember, if you want to keep your house stable and dry forever, call AMC 911.